Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how easy and simple it is to replace an outdoor faucet. So the reason I'm going to be replacing my faucet is because this is the amount of water that was dripping inside this bucket for about 20 minutes. So we decided to change the faucet. As you can see, it's still dripping. So the tools that you're going to need for this job are a faucet, a couple of wrenches, and the faucet we chose was a 10-inch and it's a frost-free. And of course, you're going to need some caulk, some of this female adapters for your pipes, some of this thread locker, a couple of wrenches. Nothing too bad. So of course, you want to turn off your water, and our water valve was located inside the garage. We're going to twist it, we're going to shut it off, and then we're going to open up our faucet to let all the water out of the pipes. Let that run for a few minutes, and once that is done, we're going to remove these screws, and then we're going to use a rubber little mallet to give it a little snug so it will come out. The next you want to remove from the basement is the pipe. And then we're actually going to relocate our faucet a few inches over because it was hitting a stud. We're using a 1-inch drill bit into the cement. It wasn't too bad. So the next thing you want to do is take your faucet that you're going to install and add some of this thread. And this is what we're going to be using. It's a little bit better than the tape, in my opinion. So once that is applied, tighten it with a wrench, clean it up with a little towel, and then install it. We're going to be using these cement screws, and I would always recommend pre-drill your holes, and that's what we did. We pre-drilled them. After we pre-drilled them, we add some caulk, and then we tighten them. We snug them with our hand, so it's not going to go anywhere. And after that is done, we're going to take and clean the excessive caulk that came out of the faucet. And so there you go. That's basically very easy. The next thing we're going to do is go inside the basement, add our little bracket, clamp it down. And just like that, we're going to use this clamper for that. So after it's clamped down, this is how it's going to look like. Next, you want to go turn on your water. And we did that. And be very careful when you're going to be opening your water very slowly. All right, guys, that's it basically. Thank you for watching.